Confidence breeds beauty when you believe in yourself. The world see it too. Good evening, everyone. I am Lea Shan Gaji, your contestant number 1. 19 years of age, currently pursuing my BA second semester in DAM Arts College. I love performing and dancing. This platform is not just about beauty, but it is also about confidence, grace, self-expression. And I am thrilled to be part of it tonight. Thank you and have a delightful evening.
Hello everyone. This is your contestant number 2, Songbin Kassar from Bhubaneswar, currently pursuing Masters in Zoology. I love cooking, gardening, and many other things that lifts up my spirit. Today I stand here not just as a contestant, but thank you.
Good evening. I am Singwon Kassar, your contestant number 3. Representing Seibet Jingcho Phongreidang. Currently pursuing my graduation at Bellevu College. Singing is my passion, and it brings me joy every time I sing. Although I'm naturally a shy person who tends to shy away from spotlight, tonight I am here before you to build my confidence. Through this platform, I want to raise my voice to all the Dangkal women. Step out from your comfort zones, break free from your fears, and let your potential shine for the world to see. I truly believe that if I can do it, so can you. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.
Good evening, Hunpun. I am Sobimjon Shingnaisi, your contestant number 4, proudly representing Seibet Jingcho Phongreidang. I hold a master's degree in English. I am a patient and fun-loving person. I love being with kids, listening to music, and I am an avid reader. Through this platform, I aim to advocate for unity and cultural importance among the youth in our society. Thank you, Hunpun Liu, for this amazing platform. I look forward to the unfolding of the rest of tonight. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Wishing you a joyful Hunpun Liu. I am Grace Mi Wu, proudly representing Seibet Jingcho Phongreidang as contestant number 5. I'm 19 years old and have completed my 12 from Sentinel College. I have passion for gardening and listening to music, and I aspire to become a beautician in the future. Thank you.
Manushitlar Wansi,
It is not about winning a crown, but it is about being role model and making a positive impact. Hello everyone. I am Rimungchon Asari, your contestant number 6. Proudly representing Seibatingcho Phongreitang. I'm 19 years of age, currently pursuing BA second semester at Badigru College. In my leisure time, I love to sing, dance, and learn new things. In the future, I aspire to become a social worker. Thank you.
The best way to predict your future is to create it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sorin Keshin, your contestant number 7. I proudly hail from the vibrant village of Alang, here to represent Resomtang 7 Finance with pride and enthusiasm. I am a 20-year-old undergraduate student, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in anthropology at DM College of Science. I have an insatiable passion for reading, as it broadens my perspectives and horizons, giving me a unique way to see the world differently. I also cherish how journaling allows me the freedom to create a beautiful tapestry of self-discovery. And I aspire to flourish as a distinguished professor, inspiring and guiding future generations of brilliant minds and visionary leaders. I stand here today with courage, confidence, and heart, ready to turn my vision into a living, breathing reality, empowering the younger generations to fearlessly pursue their dreams, breaking free from the shackles of fear and doubt. Today, as we celebrate the Seed Sowing Festival, let us also plant the seeds of courage, strength, and resilience within our hearts as we become the living proof that dreams are achievable when we dare to believe in ourselves. Thank you.
Saiko really ringpa hunpun liruwi shalami dele. You are mina lasho jamte sarel. In a natumwe contestant number 8. In a hunpun awundang wenarak zangne. You is in kumna mugu. Kala I basketball kangarel. Kala fashion trends li mulung janglak ka. Kala shimot kasa ava li kung John li sangay lak kahai. Kala ning janglak kahai shinaw ne. Iwi mirin li shinawa kasada moholak ay na oktida. Tika kangang malayla nganantap ay na oktida. Misay ko rinang janglak kahai shinawa kasada. Iwi na damkui shikui kapay nga salaga oktira kaji iwi karin ne. Jena hang kangai banava na kalata shitka sang leilu chithaka nowi mujuk takle krinji bashung lakre psycho really lekyang zin saser reno nishlagai re.
Beauty is not just about the eyes that see, but about the heart that feels, the mind that thinks, and the spirit that shines. Good evening, Hunpun! Respected jury members, to my fellow contestants and distinguished guests, I am Pilayungaung Shi, your contestant number 9, currently pursuing my master's degree at Manipur University, proudly representing Kambi Village. Beyond my academic pursuits, I'm passionate about cooking, gardening, and playing volleyball. Looking ahead, I aspire to become a professor. Thank you so much, Hunpun, for this beautiful platform. Sai ko really lekyang zin sa serno ning shlagere.
Now, zum Liak, she do welcome Sakui Lishit, yeah? Masakui Fushi. Okay, Zyga, I'll give to my co-host.
Thank you.
Now, Ari to me, key round chok round round ya herda. Round can you get idea? Ara key chok round key round round. One of the most glamorous and elegant moment of the
It's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails just like the pedicure raw. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Ooh, the way you shine. Missing and Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. 'Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Ooh, the way you shine. Missing and bending. Her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it, girl. You're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Spend a little time. She got. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Shine. Missing and bending. That's why I love her. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Missing and bending. Ooh, the way you shine. Missing and bending.
top 4 contestants on the stage once again. The 2023 Lui reigning Miss Sadakle, Miss Werngam John Shokung now. Actually, I welcome Sase Arena to crown the Miss Hunpun Liru 2025. Ladies and gentlemen.
Walk like the boss, talk like the boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what you boss do. She got me thinking about getting the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. Yarisagur na bang pemi should say? Okay, contestant number 1, you may take a walk as the Miss Hunpun Liru 2025. Yarisagur na bang pemi say?
On my mind. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. Yeah, 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 yeah. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to the winners. And thank you so much to one and all for being and bearing with us tonight, even if it is late. Nga shong hui lak salan na tum sa ekor na kang kamivang ning shinare program li mapung pang sa kay na tum sa ekor lila ning gashimi dele chimang maning la itumui mashun makui yang mikai judges ping lila ning shinare gaji hangay dele. And also to the people joining us and watching us online, thank you very, very much for your support and your love. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. And as the winners take their walk and their photographs taken, we will bid good night. Thank you so much, one and all. Very good night. to all of you.
on the blacktop. There's a gentle rain down